Hello and welcome to Web Learning with Knowledge Shared. I'll show how to connect to a remote Linux device using Total Commander. If this is the first movie you're watching, I highly recommend to go back and see my other videos and how to do things different in Linux. So I've entered the Total Commander website. I click on the 64-bit version, click Run. And we can start the Total Commander. Total Commander is free. The only thing is that if you don't pay for it, you'll need to click one of those three buttons every time you open it. I'll configure it really quickly. And that's it. In order to connect to a remote Linux machine, we need to install a plugin. Plugins are under add-ons and plugins. Here, I'm searching for SSH. And I can see that it has sftp plugin. I click on the 32 plus 64-bit. This time I'll click save or save as. I'll remember where I'm going to download the plugin. Click save. And don't click open. You need to go to the Total Commander and find where you've downloaded those files. And this time click on the plugin. The minute you try to open the zip file, Total Commander will see that this is a plugin. Then you click yes as administrator, click OK, and that's it. The way to use this plugin, it's quite easy. You go to either to the network neighborhood here, or click on the drop-down list and click on network neighborhood. Here you can see the plugin under secure FTP. You double click on the secure FTP, then you click F7, you open a directory, so Raspberry 4, this is the name of the connection, click OK. Now you get the connect SFTP server details, so connect 192.168.2.107, this is the IP address of your Raspberry or any other Linux machine. So username, again, is the username of the machine, and this password of the machine. Click OK. Now when you double click on this, for the first time it will ask you for the fingerprint, click yes. You can see all the folders of our Raspberry Pi. Under home, we can find the Pi username folder. Now we can copy different files, we can do manipulation, we can view some files, and we can do different things to the Raspberry remotely. To disconnect, I can click here to disconnect from the remote Raspberry Pi, and that's it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to get notification when I'm uploading new videos. Thank you.